So,
Yes or no?
are you taking me to jail or not?
Are you going to complete the
Are
exercises?
you taking me to jail or not?
Yes or no? Okay.
I just feel so sad because I tried to...
Listen, you tried to what?
I wanted to make mac and cheese for my family.
You are hung up on this mac and cheese.
On November 27th, 2025, when a sheriff's deputy stops a vehicle for speeding, the driver, identified as Kaylee, was clocked at 73 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone. She's rushing to family dinner with homemade mac and cheese, highlighting how everyday stresses like family obligations can mix dangerously with potential impairment.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Deputy Weiss at the Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today is 73 and a 45.
Okay, yeah.
Where are we going?
73?
Yeah, and a 45.
I don't, that's fine, you can...
Okay,
I don't think I was driving that fast, but
Okay.
I am trying to find my licensure.
Okay. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Where are we coming from today?
I have my mac and cheese on the floor, like I'm just trying to get to family dinner. That's
Okay.
all I am doing. Here's my driver's
Thank you. Still living on Hidden Valley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol today?
No.
Okay. Any reason why I can smell alcohol coming from you?
No, no.
What's in that cup?
This is just like an old Diet Pepsi,
Okay.
and that's it.
There's no alcohol? You've had no alcohol
ma'am.
today?
No, ma'am.
All right. Hang tight. I'll be back shortly. All right, Kaylee. Is it Kaylee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do me a favor and step out, okay?
Can I ask you the reason why you're asking me to step out?
Yes, I'll explain it to you when you step out of the vehicle, okay?
I was just gonna say I found my...
No problem. There we go.
Oh my gosh, this
Okay.
is so crazy.
Walk to the back of your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
I'll explain everything back to you here. All right, listen. I don't want you between vehicles, so let's come over here, okay? I can smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from you, okay?
Okay.
I'm trained in this stuff, okay? So when I ask you if you've had alcohol, I'm just expecting honesty, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's it, all right? Your speed is egregious. You're 73 and a 45. Listen to me.
I have
Let
on
me.
cruise control.
Okay,
so
let me talk, okay?
Okay.
You came around that corner back there at 73 miles an hour.
Okay.
And then you saw me, you smashed your brakes, and then you sped right back up. Okay, so you're slurred speeching to me, okay, right now.
I don't have slurred speeching.
Okay, well, you do. I can hear it when you talk, okay?
Okay.
That's where we're at right now, okay? So I'm a little concerned about your driving pattern, okay? Your speed, okay?
Okay.
The way that you abruptly stopped right here and then you threw your car in reverse, I was concerned that you were going to back into
I
me.
didn't put my car in
Okay, I'm
reverse.
not
You have
gonna-
it on body camera, so you
I
can
have
say that all you
everything
want.
on
Okay,
camera.
that's fine, okay.
I'm not going to argue with you, okay?
Okay.
That's not what we're here to do.
Yes.
What we're here to do is determine whether or not you're too impaired to be operating a motor vehicle. Because I believe you are under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay.
Okay.
Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief you are too impaired to operate that motor vehicle? It's a yes or no question. It's a yes or no question.
Honestly, you can just... I don't know. I've already
Okay.
been through this before.
I have
and
to
know
have
I'm
a
not
yes.
drinking,
I have to have a yes or no answer.
I mean, mac and cheese. Can you ask my sister if she can pick up my mac and cheese so at least the family can taste it?
It's a yes or no question. Let's focus on one
Okay.
thing at a time, okay?
Okay.
So, are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to
Sure.
dispel my belief?
Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
What you're going to do right here is you're going to hang out right over here for me. Hang tight. Stand over here with that deputy, okay? All right, Kaylee. So the way that these work, okay? My DUI investigations start the same way every single time. I have to ask you a series of questions, okay?
Okay.
And then you're going to answer these questions. They're yes or no questions, and then I will run you through the standardized field sobriety exercises. And if you're not to the point where you're impaired, you'll be on your way. Simple as that. I
I
don't
say that, but you're arresting me regardless, so...
No, I don't.
That's what I was just explaining to him.
I don't
like,
arrest people if they're not under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not.
While the interaction seems ordinary, the deputy notices potential warning signs: excessive speed, abrupt braking, and what he believes to be the odor of alcohol.
That's not how this works, okay? It's based on your performance of everything, and then we go from there.
Okay.
If you're above what I believe you are, then you go to jail. If you don't, then we go from there.
So
okay?
you're just saying that you're taking me to jail
No.
whether I do this or not?
No. If you refuse,
I'm not refusing.
Let me explain,
I'm not
okay?
refusing.
I asked you to do field sobriety exercises. You agreed, okay? What happens if you refuse to do the field sobriety exercises or complete them is I ask you again, okay? If you say no or you don't complete the tasks, then I have to make an arrest decision based on my evidence that I have at hand, okay, which would be the speeding, your slurred speech, things of that nature, okay?
Okay.
And
so you're taking me to jail
I did not say that.
regardless.
No, we can't just take you to jail regardless. That's not how this works.
Okay.
Okay?
I just feel like if you're having me pulled over, like, I have mac and cheese in the car, like, this is my
Okay.
first year cooking, and, like,
Okay.
oh my gosh, okay.
And if you complete everything and you're not to the point where you're impaired, then you go on your way with your mac and cheese. Okay?
I'm just not.
I wouldn't, listen, we're not out here to my job is not to take people to jail. My job is to make sure people are not impaired operating a motor vehicle. Okay?
I get it. I just have 2 kids, and, like,
Okay, I get it. I understand where you're coming from.
I do
Okay?
apologize.
Just let me start this, and
Okay.
then if you have any questions, don't hesitate to stop me.
Okay.
Ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. I'll answer them to the best of my ability for you, okay?
Taking me to jail anyway, so don't you just want to do it now? Like,
Okay, listen to me.
I just feel like
Listen
either way,
no,
like,
that's not how this works. I have done numerous DUI investigations, and I haven't taken everybody to jail on DUI investigations, okay? Because there are some times that you are not to the point where you shouldn't be operating a motor vehicle, okay?
I just feel so sad because I tried to.
Listen, you tried to what?
I wanted to make mac and cheese for my family.
You are hung up on this mac and cheese.
I know because
It's
of my
mac and
I don't know
cheese.
how to cook, and it's my
Okay.
first time cooking.
Listen to
so
me.
I just feel so
And if
sad.
everything goes well and you perform exercises and you don't meet that threshold, you go on your way, like I explained
Okay.
to you, okay? So for this exercise, all I'm going to have you do, stand with your feet together, your arms are going to be down by your side, okay? I'm going to show you the tip. So the light doesn't work, so I'm probably actually going to use my
Even
pen.
if you use your light, you're still gonna be like, oh,
No, this is exercises. This is what I'm trained in, okay?
Okay.
I can't make... So the first exercise is horizontal gaze nystagmus. That means I'm going to check your eyes, okay? I can't make your eyes do anything.
yeah.
You're just going to follow...
I get it, but I know like my contacts are dry, so either way, I know you're already taking me to jail, so that's what I'm saying.
Why do you think you know that?
Because you're already having me pulled over.
Yeah, I pulled you over because you're speeding. That's the
Okay.
initial stop reason, okay?
There's 5 cops here at this point.
The officer offers field sobriety exercises to clear suspicions, a yes or no choice. Kaylee hesitates, fixating on her mac and cheese and family. Kaylee complains about dry contacts and wind, but the deputy demonstrates and proceeds. She questions the setup with multiple officers, she says 5 or 15, and the deputy explains it's for safety.
For what?
They're here because they're all my backup, okay?
Okay.
That's it. They're
All right.
You listen to me. You need to focus on me. Focus on what listen
I
to
am
me.
focused on you.
Focus on me. Don't focus on them. Focus on what I have going
It's
on.
hard not to
Don't worry
when
about
there's
them.
15
Okay,
males
who-
coming up to me.
And what about me? I'm a female.
But you work for them.
Okay.
Okay, so
Feet together, arms by your side, okay? See the tip of this?
Yes.
You're going to follow that. You're going to follow that with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
You're not going to move your head. Go ahead, touch the tip of that for me, okay? Okay. Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Keep following it.
It's not fair that my eyes are dry and I'm trying to follow it, but
Okay. Just keep following it.
Okay.
Okay. It's going to go out of your peripheral. Let it happen.
okay.
Don't turn your head. Over here.
I'm looking over there.
Relax. You need to take
But
a couple-
I'm looking over
listen,
there and you're telling me I'm
because
not
you're
looking
not
over
looking
there.
over here.
How am I not looking
You're
over there?
looking, so you're not looking at the stimulus, the tip of my pen.
Okay. I am.
Oh, now you are. Keep
I've
looking.
been doing
keep
that.
looking
okay.
at it.
Am I following it?
You are. Keep
okay,
doing what you're
that's
doing.
what I've been doing.
Don't move your head. The next one, we're just going to go up, okay?
Okay.
Relax. That means you can, if you have to shake out your legs or whatever you want to do, you can, okay?
Are you taking me to jail or not?
Do you want to continue the exercises?
It's
It's a yes or no.
Yes, I do.
Okay,
but, like,
then
if you're gonna
let's
take me
get
to
through the
jail and-
exercises.
Okay. Oh my gosh. And the whole time I was following the tip of that pen, and you said I wasn't. and I was.
Relax. Okay, this is
I'm
not.
trying to, but
you
like you
are.
told me I wasn't following the
'Cause you
pen,
weren't.
and I was. Okay.
Okay, come down
So
here.
then, if you're gonna arrest me
Kaylee?
then.
Stop.
No, because you're.
I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt. This is not a back and forth This is not a back and forth situation. You are either going to everything is audio.
I totally get it.
Everything is audio and video
Yes,
recorded.
absolutely,
I'm not trying. Listen to me. I can't make your eyes do anything that they're not going to do on their own. Okay.
So if you already have probable cause, then wouldn't you take me to jail now?
I have to let you get through the entire exercises. That's part of the DUI investigation.
For you just to take me to jail.
We're not there yet.
Okay, then.
So relax.
Right.
Okay. I'm not saying you're trying to do anything. I just want you to do the exercise I'm asking you to do because you wanted to, and then we go from there. Okay.
But you saying that I wanted to, like, you're a cop, you're obviously gonna get money off of this. So, like,
what do you mean?
Even if I do this or not, it doesn't matter. Like, you're still getting paid. You know what I mean?
Because I'm working.
Goes by the evidence that is presented to her.
Okay. So it's super windy. You have to take that into consideration.
Okay.
Kaylee questions details like foot placement, but completes it amid complaints. Then the one-leg stand. Lift 1 foot 6 inches, count to 30 without swaying or using arms. Kaylee starts shaky, demands a timer, and quits early, assuming arrest anyway.
Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
I counted 9. Can I turn around?
Just like the instructions.
You said small steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kaylee, I'm trying to give you every opportunity, okay? I have a couple more exercises that I want you to do. If you don't want to do them, you tell me you don't want to do them, then I make my decision based on what we have.
And then I'm getting arrested anyways.
Are you willing to continue the exercises? Yes or no? All right. So it's going to look like this. Okay, I'm going to stand on my right foot. You can stand on your left. I don't care. Just like this. Foot out 6 inches. 1001, 1002, 1003. Say I drop it. That's okay. 1004, 1005, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. During the exercise, don't use your arms for balance. Okay? Look at your foot and count your seconds out loud.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
I don't think so.
All right, give me 1 second, okay? Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
I am shaky though because I take
Tell me when to start.
Go ahead. Wait, no, I'm sorry yet. You're taking me to jail.
Tell me when to start, please.
Go ahead, please. Is my foot high enough?
6 inches like I explained in the directions.
I'm still standing on my left foot. This is no fair. This is crazy. Just take me to jail. You guys are playing. You guys are having me standing out here doing all this stuff. Can you just take me to jail if you're taking me to jail, please?
Are you finishing that exercise? It's a yes or no.
I stood there for like 10 seconds, and my foot was completely straight. So like, I'm trying to ask you, like, you're the professional, the officer. So what is we doing? Are you taking me to jail?
You are not completing the exercises as I described it to you, as I provided you the instructions.
You said until you stop.
Until I tell you to stop or you reach 30 seconds.
Okay, so can I do it again? Like, what the heck? Can you give me a timer, please?
The timer is you counting to 30.
You didn't say that. You said
your
stand
30
on your foot
seconds.
And you will tell me
okay, I'm not arguing with you anymore.
Okay,
Kaylee.
so are you taking me to
the
jail
next?
or
Are
not?
you going to continue the exercises? Yes or no?
What other exercises do I have to do?
There are more exercises that you
How
need
many?
to do. 3.
I've already done 3.
Yes, there's 3 more.
So
yes or no?
Are you taking me to jail or not?
Are you going to complete the exercises?
Are you taking me to jail or not?
Yes or no?
Are you taking me to jail or not? You're already sitting here judging me when it's windy as I can't even hold on to a pole.
Okay, are you going to complete the exercises or not?
Are you taking me to jail? Yes, I will complete that.
Then stop arguing with me.
Slapping the handcuffs on.
Yes, ma'am. You're going to be placed under arrest today for DUI, okay?
That's crazy.
Put your hands together like you're praying, okay? Other way. Palms in. Thing on you that's going to poke, prod, stick, or stab me. Okay, walk over the side of my car.
Don't touch me.
Okay, well, I have to.
Don't touch me.
Okay, you're not going to act like this.
You bitch, you already know you was taking me to jail, you stupid.
Or you're gonna get resisting charge.
Go ahead and do that then.
You're resisting charge.
Put me in the car.
Your feet.
Put me in the
Feet.
car. I have sandals on. Flat ass dress. The gonna find on me, you stupid. You ain't shit. You is.
Traffic 13, she'll be 15%.
After evaluating all factors, the deputy determines there is probable cause for a DUI arrest. Kaylee is informed she is being taken into custody. Refusal isn't a right in all states. Implied consent laws, for example in Texas, mean it can suspend your license. Kaylee resists verbally and physically, using profanity like, "Oh bleep."